What's up, guys? Check it out. I just left Best Buy. Look what I got. Gonna be fun.
Samsung Galaxy S9 Coral Blue. I like the way the color changes a little bit when the light hits it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the setup process really quick, and then I also have white stone dome tempered glass screen protector that I'm gonna be applying, so stay tuned for that video. And also some cases. I have some Poetic cases that were sent out to me, and we're gonna go ahead and test those out, see how they fit. Stay tuned for those videos also. But right now, let's go ahead and do the setup process. I haven't even powered it on yet. So this is gonna be first boot. This is the unlocked Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. If I say S8 Plus during the video, I apologize, but S9 Plus it is. So there it is, quick boot up. And then it says starting Android. Hello there. Okay, so this is a little different than from what I had on the Note 8. Hit the start button, insert SIM card. I'm gonna go ahead and enter this really quick. Entering my Wi-Fi password real quick.
Connecting to my Wi-Fi. Okay, so I connected to my Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to hit next. Agree to the terms and conditions. Agree. And then it's going to go ahead and ask me to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my information real quick. Okay, so I went ahead and signed in with my Google account. I do have a two-step authentication on here, so restore. I'm not going to do a restore. I'm going to skip that. And I'm going to also just go next.
Intelligent scan. So we have intelligent scan, protect your phone, face recognition, iris. Which one do I want to do? I'm going to go ahead and go with where's the set up the fingerprint. So we'll do the fingerprints, and then we'll do a pin. It's all about, we're gonna test this bad boy out, and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and impressions on it, what I think about it. Should you upgrade if you have the S8 Plus or the Note 8? Man, it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna talk about everything. I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts on it and my usage on it. This is from, like an average consumer type of video. I'm not gonna really go into depth into the camera or anything like that, because that's been covered a lot. I personally didn't see a huge improvement, but that's just me. We're gonna have to get some hands-on time with it and see if my opinion changes by the time I'm done with the review process. We're gonna test out the speakers, the camera, all that good stuff. So I just thought I'd make this video real quick, show you guys that I do got the S9 in the building. We're gonna do some battling with the iPhone 10, which I'm recording this video with, and we're gonna see which one comes out on top. Me personally, I'm not sure. I've seen some videos that say the S9 comes out on top. I've seen some videos the iPhone 10 comes out on top when it comes to the cameras. So we're gonna do our own analysis, and yeah, we're gonna have fun doing it. So stay tuned. This is just a heads up that I do got the S9 in the building. I'm sitting right now currently in the Best Buy parking lot. I just ordered it and just came over and picked it up. I'm out.